Hi, my name is Ron and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to give you my what's in my purse. So I'm in my bed right now because I'm just chilling. I'm still wearing my teacher uniform, so don't mind it. Okay, so what's in my purse? My bag is this one. It's color red. It has crisscross designs of black and red, and it has tassels, and it's very big. I don't know the brand of this one. It was just given to my mom, and my mom doesn't use it, so I use it. Then it has a strap for the shoulder, and it has these handles for your hand. Okay, so when you open my bag, okay, it's this one. Yeah, it's very roomy, and then you will see things here that you will expect in a teacher's bag. So anyway, let's get started. Okay, the first thing that you will see is the pouch. Okay, so inside the pouch is my ID, my phone, my phone, another Nokia phone. There, it's coded. So when I just get my phone from my bag, I just need to fill it. This one is a bit rough. This one is smooth. Okay. Then inside also is my medicine from my throat, uh, and the Vicks paper up because I still have colds, and headset. Okay, so it won't be there. My won't be everywhere inside my bag. So yeah, and of course I put my scrunchie or my ponytail. So it's scrunchie inside. And the next thing is of course my brush. So my students always like me, my hair. They don't like me to tie my hair, but they love to touch it every day. The other thing is, okay, a book. Okay, Bakit Hindi Ka Crush na Crush Mo by Ramon Bautista. And I have a wallet. Okay, it's from surplus shop in SM Copy. So you have a lot of slots for your cards. Come in. It's open. And you have a keys for a glass, for my glass. And pencil case. Okay, so you would see my pencils, my ball pen, my pens, my Sharpie, my markers, correction tape, USB, eraser, scissors, glue stick, Swiss knife. It's here. Okay. Next. Okay, my vanity bag. Okay, which I put I put here my comb. Yes, I have a brush and a comb. Tissue, Myra E Shine Free Face Powder, Human Nature Tinted Lip Balm, Soft Martin Lipstick, Body Spritz from Snowy, Honeydew Melon Yogurt, Everbelana Mascara, this one, eyeliner from Nishido, and then else, wet wipes, and not liner. Okay? That's it inside. Skip this first before I proceed to the next item inside my bag. And the next item inside my bag is, of course, hanky. I don't go out of the house without any hanky. notebook, so when we have a meeting, I take note of everything. And science book. Yeah, and a preschool teacher. And what else? Uh, oh yes, this one. Oil control sheet. Okay, so that's those are the things that you can see inside my bag. So inside there's a lining, of course. Yeah, so it's very big, very loose. Okay, so I always change my bag, especially when I have so many things. I use a backpack, but now I only have few things, so I use this because it's very, when I use backpack, it's much convenient for me to use it because it's just there. But sometimes I like to be a bit girly because my backpack makes me look uh, like I don't know, adventurer, traveler. I don't know, but when I use this, sometimes I feel girly. Okay, so that's it. I'll try to update my what's in my first video maybe later on if I have to change my bag, and I might try to what do you call it, update how I look in school, so I don't wear much makeup in school. Actually, I don't own that much makeup, so I will let you see my makeup collection later on, and I will see you soon. Bye.